Stop recording.
Hey everybody, I was just wondering if any of you knew about a animated parrot. I'm actually putting my saxophone away because I was just playing it. There's this animated parrot that I don't know about. I received it when I was about 8 or 9 years old. It's an animated parrot that's dressed up as a pirate. And he has that, that parrot voice, that squawky voice that parrots often have. And he sings 2 songs. He sings, "What Shall We Do with a Drunken Sailor?" And he sings, "15 Men on a Dead Man's Chest." Now, a little trivia about the song 15 Men on a Dead Man's Chest. Growing up, I had no idea what that song was. Was it 15 men standing on a man's chest? Was it 15 men standing on a treasure chest? Well, I looked it up last night, and it says that Dead Man's Chest was a Virgin Island back in the 1970s. No, I mean the 17th century. I'm very sorry, 17th century. And this pirate, Blackbeard, marooned these people on this island with no food, nothing, just a bottle of rum. And so that's why it says 15 men on a dead man's chest, yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. So if anybody knows about that parrot, please tell me. Because I'm very interested to find out about the parrot.